Hi, beautiful and lovely souls. I'm Seema Kukreja, your healing guide on the journey of restoring love between you and your adult child. Today, I'm introducing you to something that feels like magic: switch words. These are power packed words that directly influence your subconscious mind and emotional energy. What are switch words? Switch words are single words or short phrases that switch on your mind's power to attract what you desire. They work at a subconscious level, dissolving resistance, releasing stuck emotions, and aligning you with peace and love. They are often called the mantras of the modern world. How they work? Words carry vibration, and switch words are chosen based on their frequency and effect. For example, together is a master switch word. It unites your inner parts, mind, heart, and spirit. Reach helps re-establish connection when your child has gone silent. Forgive dissolves emotional baggage, shame, guilt, anger, and opens the heart for love to return. You can chant these, write them down, meditate on them, or even carry them as affirmation cards. Healing switchword phrases for mothers. Let me give you certain examples. Here are 6 special switchword phrases designed for you. First one, together be divine love. Used to restore unity and unconditional love in the relationship. Second one, reach, connect, caring, listen. Helps in re-establishing heart-to-heart communication with your adult child. Third one, forgive, clear, be done. Clears the emotional past, letting off guilt, blame, and resentment. Love, light, sweet, bless. Radiates peaceful, warm energy into your home and interactions. Divine order, balance, rejoice. Restores harmony in chaotic or confusing emotional situations. Together, give, receive grace. Creates an open field for mutual understanding and healing. How to use them? Pick one that resonates. Say it 28 times, ideally with your hand over your heart or while looking at your reflection. You can also write it in your journal or set it as a phone reminder. Even when words fail, switch words speak to your soul. Start with one phrase a day and observe the emotional shifts within you and in your relationship with your adult child. Like, comment, and share this video if it touched your heart. And don't forget to subscribe for more healing tools. If you're ready for deeper transformation, join my free webinar, which is waiting for you in the description. Sending you strength, softness, and sacred love on your healing path.